So this is how you can mute specific apps on the Apple Watch. Let me talk about it. If you're new here, subscribe so you never miss anything important. So essentially, you can of course manage the silent mode on your Apple Watch, which mutes everything, and you can also control the notifications for individual apps on the Watch app, right? So you would go in here and, for example, stop the notifications for certain apps, and that way they are going to be completely muted, but they will not even deliver notifications at all. Right, so that would work, but if you specifically want to manage notifications, I believe that the best way would be to utilize the focus modes inside of the iPhone as well as the Apple Watch. In the settings, because it's all connected, you can find the focus mode and set up a specific focus mode or customize an existing one where you can choose apps which are going to be allowed and which are going to be silenced. So you can basically just choose to silence some applications like that, and it will apply to both devices, and you can specifically silence or mute some applications. I know what you're referring to. You would probably just want to disable the sound for some apps on the watch, but it doesn't work that in that simple manner. We kind of have to set up a focus mode to silence some specific apps, and that way it also applies to the Apple Watch. Or we can turn off the notifications completely for some applications on the wrist. But that's all that I can show you, is just how it works. So let me know if you manage to find it on your device. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe for more, and I'll talk to you soon in the upcoming videos as well.